Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get Temu items without inviting friends. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Temu app and tap the U icon at the bottom of the screen. From there, select Earn Credits and Free Gifts. This section allows you to claim rewards without needing to invite others. At the top, you will see an option labeled Redeem Credit. Tap Get Now to proceed. You will be taken to a selection of free gifts available for redemption. Browse through the list and choose an item you want. Once you have decided, tap Pick It and confirm your selection. After confirming, the item will be added to your rewards, and you can track its progress within the app. Some items may require completing small tasks or reaching a certain threshold before shipping. Be sure to check the details to ensure you meet the requirements. So that's basically how you can get Temu items without inviting friends. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.